Is this thing on? I guess I should have known by the way she parked her car sideways that it wouldn't last. She's the type of girl that believes in making out once, love 'em and leave 'em fast. Oh, we're loving it, but we're not leaving it at this moment. The IWM, that's Uncle Russ's ETF, had a nice setup. Here's what we got. We were looking at the IWM the last couple of weeks as I was trading it down, and now it had a beautiful setup to flip the script, and that's what I was able to do. Now, again, I have no idea where this thing is going to actually end up, but it could go back down at any moment. But I had on here hold 215. It didn't even get to that. I think, what did it get to? 216? Yeah, 216. And then it turned up, and it's turned up beautifully, which now the next confirmation that this was that local, very local low is to take out 222.50. So that's what I'm looking at, because this morning, let's go here first. So this morning I ended up taking two positions that have added up to 2,000 shares of TN and the A. TNA is a triple. Where does it say that? Down here somewhere. There it is. It provides 3 times leveraged exposure to a market cap weighted index of U.S. small cap companies. So essentially, it is a triple bull on Uncle Russ. So that's what I was looking at. That's what we went into this morning. Currently, we're up $1,280, nothing to sneeze at, but this is all looking very nice right now. So let's go to the spreadsheet, because we did two things this morning. One was I did end up selling off my 2,000 shares of the TQs. We got in here at 66.58. I always like to get in a little too early and then added another tranche to what I consider to be a full position because of the price of this 1,000 shares at 65.23. And then I don't know why, maybe it was a gut feeling. I hope to possibly at some point establish some sort of gut feelings when it comes to trading, but I took my stop losses off. In fact, I never even put a stop loss on the second tranche. I was going to put that in at 64. I was dialing it in, and I'm like, I'm taking both off. I took the stop loss off. Not anything that you should ever, or I would ever advise unless you had some strong conviction, because as I sat through the NVIDIA earnings, the TQs went all the way down to, I don't know, I think they're in the 63s maybe. We could probably see. Let's go to a bigger chart. Let's go to the bar chart of the TQs. Let's go to the bar chart, see if we can't pull it up in some sort of timely fashion, just to see how low we got right after hours when NVIDIA had announced their earnings. Let's go to the full chart. Let's go to a 5. How far does the 1 day go back? Does it just start this morning? It's 2 p.m. I don't know. If I knew how to use bar chart better, I would let you know. What are those candles? What are those candles measuring? Anyways, I think it got in the 63s, maybe low 64s, whatever the case. We went ahead and stuck to it. And then this morning I did. And of course, I traded out of it early. You wouldn't have it any other way, would you? Because where's it currently at? 69.20. Actually, that blew through my target. That blew through my short-term target goal of 68. But I was getting ready to go on a walk with my lady friend, and I'm like, I just want to book this now and then walk peacefully. So obviously sold it off too early, but again, one of my superpowers, I don't suffer from the FOMO. So I did make $1.86 per share times 2,000 shares. So that was $3,720 in less than 24 hours. Hello. So we'll take that all day, every day, and drum roll, please, twice on Sunday. So then here's our 2 tranches of the TNA today. 43.93 and then 43.58, and it's currently trading at 44.40 with a minimum target in mind of the 22.50. So there, it's looking beautiful right now. Does it go up in a straight line? Nope. You see the red bars in there, up, down, all around, but we're looking for it to head on up through 222.50. What's today? Thursday? Easily by as early as tomorrow. So that is what we're looking at there. Let's go to the Bitcoin. Bitcoin it reversed a little harder than I thought it would. I thought it was going to do a little meandering for a while, and it could easily still do that. We did get way lower than the hold and pivot, but we did end up coming back to it, and we've pivoted since. It's come off that high of the day right now. But because of it, that has made my butt stink on my marathon, my first exposure to buying options. I bought 10 put options on. Come on, internet. Bought 10 put options on marathon, looking for it to go down. It acted exactly as I thought it would, but then now it's turned up. So I am in the gas face stages, but I have plenty of time. Oh, looks like we've got some internet freezing. We still recording? We'll keep acting like we're still recording for now, but there's that trade in case you're still watching. It was up like 280, and I thought to myself, I should just book it, Dano, being my first round of buying puts, but I let it ride, and right now we're down 220, but I still have plenty of time. Expiration on that is 9/13. So what are we at today? We're up 22,208. So doing pretty good. We got a lot of green action today, so that is looking nice. Bitcoin. Let's see. Will it meander sideways for a while? Probably before, because what we need that 65 taken out again. We have to have 65 taken out. I think we got a big range because Bitcoin moves so volatile. 65 up here, 57 down here. I would it's still pointing up though. Like if you were to just put some trend lines in here, we're going to be meeting somewhere between 60 and 69, but I think we got to see our way through this 65 some point soon, and then easily 67 becomes the next target. But I'm going to look for some meandering. If it shoots straight up, then so be it. Silver is looking good, but has become it's into a bit of a meandering because it can't hold 30. We need to hold 30, then we'll reset our look. 29.44 is still look, we're still battling that because where we're at right now at 29.46, still battling. I'm still good here at 29. Stay above that 29 on a close, and we're still going to be good. And metals loves to meander sideways as well. So gold still sitting real pretty. It's above 25. We're looking for a new all-time high. We haven't gotten it since we put that on the board, which was what? Was it yesterday or the day before? So we had some nice movement off the hold and pivot. Then we went back down into the box, come right back out. So currently at 25.23. I still like if I were to just even put a line in here. Well, yeah, I think we're through this. Now I'd put the line probably at 24.91 as a hold. I'll probably put that in when we come off of this video. What else is on here? There's IWM. We looked at that. The NQs, which is the NASDAQ. Oh my gosh, it's just looking brilliant. Looking so good. We put this on yesterday. You see the 1, the 2, the 3. And then we put this on before we reached his head. You can see we reached his head just a little bit, like just a little dagger through the head. But then it was like, psych, we're doing what we're supposed to do. And what we should do on here is head above. I'd put 20,000 as take out 20,000. So I like that. Yeah, did I come out of my TQs early? I did, but we'll keep watching this because it again, it's not going to go up in a straight line. To get to 5, we need to go through 5 more waves: 1 up, 2 down, 3 up, 4 down, 5 up. So we'll take a micro look possibly, and on the next drawdown, did we already have one today? Looks like it. If we wanted to get cute and trade that some more, otherwise we'll get up to that 5 and then see how it reacts. Does it go ABC corrective, or does it go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down? We'll have to just wait and see, measure those waves and go from there. But that is where we're looking at. Currently, the only thing on the board is those puts that I bought. Will we be looking to trade anything soon? I will come back and let you know. But thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, share with a lovable friend, and I'll see you in the next video.